What's up guys, my name is Manuel Santamaria. Today I bring you an installation video. Today we are going to be installing a dashboard, carbon fiber kit, and the center console. Open the packaging to see how many pieces we have. If I'm not sure, I believe 6 pieces. Here we have for the gauges. And you can see the cutout for the vents. Wow guys, look at this. It looks just like carbon fiber. Man, the quality, look at it. It looks clean. The piece that we're gonna do first is right here. Clean the area, make sure there's no dirt. This is the piece that we are going to be installing first. And man, look at this. Let's peel off and start from started off with the hard part first, and we are going to line it up just like that. Onto the vent side again. We're gonna get our microfiber towel and clean the area around so there's no dirt, grime. And we're gonna proceed with the vent. Here we have the piece. It's gonna sit just right around there. There's a second piece. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have this piece and this piece right here. So it's 2 in 1. Okay guys, well my GoPro gave out, so I'm going to be recording with my phone, so bear with. So here we have the bottom piece. We just need one more here in the vent. It's the last piece. Well, it doesn't fit. Nah, it goes like this. And it will complete the dash. Well, I still need this teeny weeny one. I don't know where this one goes. So yeah. So we got this one. And it goes right here. And there we have the vent. It's completed. The vent is completed. Excited to see this dash get in direct sunlight, or like when there's light, because right now it's nighttime. So let's move on with Guys, the final product. Wicked Fiber. Check them out. And this is the end result of installing the center console carbon fiber kit and the carbon fiber dash kit. Hey guys, and this last piece I finally figured out where it goes, being here for a little while, and I believe this goes right here. You see this little plastic here, where this little thing is gonna go here. There you go, guys. Final touch. Here we have the carbon fiber Thank you guys for checking out this video. Don't forget to check out Wicked Fiber. I'll link them down below. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more future content. See you in the next one. Peace.